Hello everybody, good afternoon. So today's lesson is Unit 6, which is about around town, which means places around the place you live in, I mean your city. So the first bubble is about grammar. Is there or are there? Is there, they both mean يعني هل هناك أو هل يوجد. For is there, it's for singular, and are there for plural. And of course you're asking about location expressions اللي هي preposition. We're going to use preposition حروف الجر. Is there an internet cafe near here? So first thing that we use with is an or a, but here and because we have internet that starts with a vowel. بس لو إنها cafe لحالها بدون internet, we're gonna say is there a cafe near here? The answer of course بيكون yes there is. If you wanna give more information or direction, الوصف راح تقولين there is one on Main Street. يعني يوجد هناك واحدة في الشارع الرئيسي. There is one حلت لي محل الانترنت كافيه. So one is just for singular. ما نقدر نقول one إذا كانت هي مثلا cafes مجموعة كافيهات. So one for singular. If we see the other column اللي هي are there any, are we cannot use ones with are. are راح تجمعها any يعني أي. هل هناك أي cash machines near here? Yes there are some. So بدال one راح نحط some. Okay, if it's the same here, if it's singular بيكون one. If when I say no, there aren't any. It's optional any here. Let's see the location expressions اللي هي حروف الجر prepositions. We have behind خلف, in front of أمام, next to بجانب, between بين, inside بالداخل, outside في الخارج, on First Street على الشارع, on the corner of Main and First يعني في الزاوية ما بين المين اللي هي تقاطع المين ستريت والفيرست ستريت. across the street from opposite يعني مقابل بتقاطع الشارع. Then we have here a map of the city, خريطة للمدينة, and we have this exercise. So you're gonna find the map on page 54. I just here cut it and posted it عشان you can see them together with the exercise. So here we have places. For example, if I ask about the drugstore, the drugstore is the pharmacy هي صيدلية. If I say where, can you tell me where the drugstore is, or is there في طريقتين, or is there a drugstore? The answer can be yes there is. There is one, هناك واحدة, on the main street. This is the easiest way to answer this question. If you want to give more specific information for the direction, حابة تعطي معلومات زيادة بتقولين there is one on the corner of Main Street and 2nd Avenue. Just to be very يعني more accurate, دقيقة أكثر. طيب. If I want to mention إنها بالقرب من department store, I would say إنها next to بجانب. So there is one next to the department store. So we have here places. So يبدأ السؤال is there a. If it's singular بيكون is there a. If it's plural بنقول are there any. Okay, clear? وإذا قلنا there is بتكون one. If it's there are بتكون there are some. So you can do it with your partner مع زميلتك and you compare the answers. It's so easy. Then we have اللي هي can and could. We use can and could for asking for offers or requests. What is the difference between offers and requests? Offers يعني عرض, تعرضين خدماتك أو تعرضين مساعدتك. Request اللي هي الطلب. So we can use can for offers, like can I help you, how can I help you, what can I do. Okay, but for request we use can and could. ايش الفرق بين can and could؟ can can you help me هي more common to use مثل ما نذكر هنا، لكن could هي more polite. عشان تبغين تصيرين more polite أكثر لطف استخدمي could. يعني could you give me could you please help me. أفضل هي من كان. طبعا لو تكلمنا عن التنس الزمن، كان في الزمن البريزنت والكود في الماضي، بس هنا احنا ما نتكلم عن الأزمنة، احنا نتكلم عن الطلب لما تطلبين اللي هو الأمر. So we're gonna use could to be more polite. Can it's more common بس إنها not that polite. Okay, here we have an exercise which is so easy. Like here it's optional تبغين can or could لأنها here اللي هي طبعا just البداية لحظة الثلاثة اللي فيها you كلها request اللي تطلبين من شخص، لكن الأخيرة فقط كان لأنها offer أنتي تقدمين خدمة اللي هي can I help you. But here could you tell me, could you give me, or can you give me كلها سواء. Can you recommend a place to go running. The second answer here you give directions تعطين إيش اللي هي وصف مثلا. Sure, then can you tell me how to get to a Panther Stadium? Just go, sure, just go straight.